let's get ready. We're playing short sounds. We're playing one short sound. Ready? Perfect! That was amazing! That's the best it's ever gone. Okay, now one short sounds, okay? But this time we're gonna play two. We're gonna play two short sounds, okay? Here we go. Perfect! Okay, short sounds, three. Let's try three. Ready? Perfect. You read my mind on the last one. That was incredible. Okay, and now let's try four short sounds. Ready? And I can do however fast I want, okay? Whoever's in the hot seat can do whatever they want. So we have four short sounds. Ready? Here we go. Perfect. Who wants to do this? Someone want to try conducting?
Let's see. All right, good. All right. Let's see. What is that? What's two? I forgot.
Two is like sustained notes.
Oh, and three is a swarping.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, let's try.
Okay.
And how many swarps?
You can do as many as you wish.
That's three. Five.
Okay.
Okay.
Oh. We got a call.
I'll keep going as far as this.
They're doing swarps. Okay. Another one like that?
Yeah, and you could just keep going. You could
Three,
just do as much as you want.
Two's a swart, right?
Two sustained sounds. Yeah.
Okay. Three. Okay. I can count here. Two is sustained, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Two. Okay, we're doing two. But if you sustain, you just sustain.
You can just show every time you move your hand, the note changes. You could go as long as you wish.
Okay. Two. Okay, here we go.
Amazing.
Okay. There we go. Okay, ready.
That was magical, that one.
Anybody else want to try?
Oh, that's all I wanted to do.
Wait.
What?
Okay, let's try something though. Because you can just keep going with short sounds. Once we know it's one, you can keep going. Because we're advanced. This got advanced very quickly. So you just go for it, okay?
Okay.
Yeah?
You already know the one. say the number, right?
No, just keep it going.
Keep you on your toes. Too much power.
You want to try any of those? Sustain.
How do you do it?
So you just say 2, and then every time you do this, the note will change. So that's one note. See, do it for me.
Make it louder.
Yeah, you go.